Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install WebLogic into the Linux operating system. So even if you don't have Linux, so you can install it in your virtual box. So for installation, let's create one folder first of all into your desktop file. Okay, for the WebLogic. Then into that WebLogic folder you have to download two softwares. That is one JDK and another is our WebLogic file. Okay, so proper JDK configuration is must before installing the WebLogic, otherwise you will face error while creating the domain or creating the domain. Okay, so once you have created these two folders, place the software into that folders. So this is WebLogic file, jar file. This is WebLogic zip file. Actually I have unzip it, and this is jar file. I have put it into this WebLogic folder. Okay, so after getting downloaded all the required softwares, you have to set Java path and set the proper Java configuration. Then come to this folder and open the your CMD or the terminal with this path. Okay, wherever your jar file is available, WebLogic jar file is available. Then after opening the terminal into this directory, you need to, okay, first of all you need to check like which Java version is available into this directory. So in nutshell it means the Java home path is set to this Java versions. Okay, so if you need to change, if you want to change, you can change. After that you have to hit this command java hyphen jar and that our jar file full name. After that enter. So it will take few seconds. So extracting the installer. Once the extracting the installer is completed, okay, let's say done. All the past tests are passed. Let's say must configure display, the memory, the swap memory, temp space. So these all tests are passed. These pre-checks are done. So this wizard is pop up. Okay, so this is basically the directory where a log file will be generated. Okay, while you are installing the WebLogic, if any errors or any message is printed, that will be printed into this log file. Okay, Shubham home or inventory. Once you click OK, okay, it is showing the log file. So this wizard is now pop up for the installing WebLogic. It will take few seconds of time. Okay, you can see the wizard is pop up. This is the welcome page. Okay, it will show your version, which version are you going to install and other details. Click next. This is an auto update. You can select it as skip auto updates. Click on next. And then installation directory, you have to select installation directory where you want to install your WebLogic. Okay, so I'm going to install into this home Shubham in my local folder, and this Oracle. Okay, I have created this Oracle folder. I'm going to install that here. Click next. After selecting the installation directory, click next. This will ask installation type. Okay, so you have to select WebLogic servers. You can also select others, but you are installing, so you have to select WebLogic server. This will show all the details, what are the things going to install in the WebLogic server. So this will take few seconds. Once your process is done up to 100%, you will show this window, prerequisites checking. Click on next. This is your installation summary. Okay, this will show your log file name, your disk space, features into your WebLogic. Click on next. Then it will take, this process will take few minutes. Wait until it gets done. Once it is done, your WebLogic will be installed. So in this process actually the files gets generated, the libraries gets generated. So your installation is in progress. It might take few minutes based on your OS or the laptop's speed. So once this 100% completed, the wizard will be disappear. Okay. So guys, it is completed. Actually the that installation progress completed up to 100%. Now we should see whether our WebLogic is installed successfully or not into the directory which we had selected in the installation wizard. So if you see Oracle, the folder which we had created, the installation, all the required files and library files and all the files WebLogic install here. Here you can see Oracle common. So all the files are here. This is the Oracle common folder. So our WebLogic is installed successfully. This is Oracle common, and this is the bin directory. From this directory you start your WebLogic server. So yeah, we have seen how to install WebLogic server. Guys, if you have any problem, let me know in the comment section. Okay, these are the steps you must have to follow, but don't forget to configure your Java, okay, before starting for the installation. Okay, thank you guys.